In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check apps and keys in DocuSign. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, understanding how to navigate through these options is essential for managing your integrations effectively. To begin, you'll want to go to the DocuSign website. DocuSign is a leading provider in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, trusted by many across the globe. Head over to their website using your preferred browser. Once there, the next step is to log into your DocuSign account. Logging in ensures you have the necessary permissions to access the areas we'll be exploring. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up to follow along with these instructions. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself at the DocuSign homepage. This is your main dashboard and serves as the jumping off point for many of the functions you'll perform. Familiarize yourself with the interface, as it's the central hub for all your DocuSign activities. Next, look for the admin button and click on it. This will lead you to the administrative area where you can manage settings and configurations. Accessing the admin section is crucial when you need to make changes or review specific app integrations, ensuring you maintain control over your digital processes. Once you are in the admin section, locate the apps and keys option and click on it. Apps and keys is the area where you have complete visibility over the applications linked to your account and their corresponding access keys. This is a vital step in managing your integrations, as it allows you to understand and control which apps are interacting with your DocuSign environment. Now, inside the apps and keys section, you'll see a list of all applications associated with your account, along with their details such as client IDs and the scopes they have requested. Reviewing this list is a beneficial practice. It gives you a comprehensive view of how your DocuSign account is connected with other tools or services, helping you monitor and manage security and functionality effectively. In summary, by following these steps, you're ensuring that you have a well-maintained and secure DocuSign environment. Always keep an eye on the applications using your keys to avoid unauthorized access and ensure compliance with any organizational policies. That concludes this tutorial on checking apps and keys within DocuSign. Utilizing these instructions will empower you with the knowledge needed to effectively manage your DocuSign integrations and maintain an efficient, secure digital workflow. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials on leveraging DocuSign to its full potential.